The St. Lucia Chamber of Commerce is hoping that the health and security levy will have minimum impact on businesses and consumers while also meeting government's objectives. The 2.5% levy takes effect in July 2023. Food, medicine, and medical equipment are exempt.
We are hosting with the agreement of the Minister, the PS Finance and the Prime Minister. We are meeting to discuss the best way to implement the health and security tax. The health and security tax is meant to generate finances to apply to the health sector and to apply to the security of citizens. And so as the government contemplates how it's going to do that, the business community has the opportunity to discuss with them the way we could minimize negative impact and how we could assure that the targets and objectives of the government are met whilst limiting impact on the business community.
Government officials are due to hold dialogue next week to get the feedback and input of the Chamber of Commerce on the tax.
This discussion is scheduled for June 7th at the Financial Center. Again, is the Chamber working for its members, bringing members together so that we can impact policy, we can impact regulations, we can impact how these things are implemented. It also gives the government a wonderful opportunity to hear from the business community, the people on the ground, the people who are working in the trade, who can advise them on the best approach.
The levy will ensure that elderly citizens 80 years and over can access free medication. The Chamber of Commerce says it remains open to the idea of engaging the government on new policies.
We have an opportunity to engage on the health and security tax that will be introduced, and we will be meeting with the Ministry of Finance to better understand their thinkings and for them also to get the input of the business community on how this tax could be better implemented so as to have the desired impact and to lower as much as possible the impact on the business community and the consumers. We think it's a very good move. We are very pleased that the Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Finance, Mr. Francis Fontenelle, was so willing to sit with the Chamber and meet with the members to hear their views and their perspectives as the government sets out the roadmap before it is determined what exactly the roadmap is. And so we were hoping that discussion, a lot of members will participate and join us because it's good to have the different perspectives, the different sectors.
The proceeds from the levy will finance investments in healthcare and national security. Gina Filippi, HTS News Force.